Hello guys, in today's video we're exploring Animal Company's new water update. I know I'm kinda late to this, but boom check it to it. Okay, I got the old gold pack because it's fire. It's like the new old hands. Yeah, okay. But got everything. I also got from the pack, so we're gonna be going into the water. Let's go. So the farthest I've made it is literally to that container and I got bored and went and played Pokemon. So I'm actually gonna try to get to it. First, swim, swim. Okay, found the boat. Just walk in through the boat, right? Right? How can a gorilla hold his breath this long? Actually. Okay. Maybe I should have bought a grappler. That might have been a pretty good idea. Dude, I didn't. Oh no. No. It's kind of hard to do this. Oh! No! Oh. Okay. Aw, man. Yeah, I definitely should have Yeeps. What? Yeeps. Could that be their collab? Please. Okay. Well, I guess this is where I go in. Maybe? How am I walking on water now? Am I supposed to go into the boat? Even there's water right there? I'm gonna run back and grab a grappler. Okay, I'm back and I have a grappler. Figured I can't grab one of this. So this and fail. Okay. This is going terrific. I really should have tried from the other side. No, I'm just walking on water. Ow. Explode. Oh, this might be where I'm supposed to go. This might be where I'm supposed to go. Oh, no, it's definitely not. I'm supposed to go into the boat? What's in the boat? What's in the boat? Actually, what is in the boat? Oh man, there's nothing in the boat. Where do I go? Am I supposed to swim somewhere? Am I supposed to swim somewhere? I did not. Maybe I'm supposed to go in here? Like, on this boat? Question mark? Where do I go? There's nothing in the boat. There's nothing in here. I'll be back when I figure out where to go. I now know where to go. Thank you, just toasty. I now know where to go. So I've been overlooking it the entire time. Supposed to go into this. Yeah, you're not supposed to go anywhere else. Oh, okay. Oh man, this looks creepy, bro. Nah, man. YouTube, I'm not monetized yet. Pay me to do this. Oh, bro, this is scary. This is spooky, scary. Oh, nah. Nah. It's a slide. You don't like that. What in the world? I'm sorry, what? I am sorry, huh? Net access. Huh? I'm scared. Visa scared. Well, we got that. Is there a way out? Please tell me I don't have to go into the vent. I have to go into the vent, don't I? What is this? It's a skateboard. It's a skateboard. What? It's another. What? To the right. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is this? What is that? Nah, bro. I need a minute to just think about what happened there. Oh my. Good to know, bro. Good to know that there's a monster. Okay. I know I have. I have a bag full of shotguns somewhere. Well, that's revolvers. I want shotguns. Where's my bag full of shotguns? Do I not hear this? Okay, so we got a shotgun. That's good. Yep, only had one shot in it. That's what I thought. And I also have a bag full of nukes. That is also really good to know. Bro, it says this. It had both shots in it. Okay. Oh my. Off we go. On an adventure. Again. I hate that. This is so, I wasn't ready to see SCP-096 show up out of nowhere. What kind of outfits are these? I'm tempted to buy one of these, but I'm not. I'm saving up for a new animal. So, okay, let's go back over there. I'm not gonna use a grappler this time because grapplers are completely useless now. I don't like this. I prefer like the like the mines. This not my type of thing. Underwater SCPs, no, not. Just no. Never played one. Never. Oh wait. Oh, that gave me a heart attack when I seen that thing. Finally, we're out of the water. I would feel better if I did this with someone else. But no, I can't. I gotta do it by myself. Why? For content. Man, get your shotgun ready. Scared, bro. That thing was terrifying. It was terrifying. No, bro, not doesn't. I'm 200 pumping it. I see. I'ma go chicka chicka boom. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. And I'm scared. That's my only words. This is where I died. It's not dying! Oh, there it is. Dead. I feel so much better knowing that that thing is dead. I don't know what half of this stuff is for, but okay. So I know I don't have a weapon now. I used both my shots. No! No! I don't like this! Let me out! Oh, I made it! I somehow made it. How? How? I don't like that. Oh, it's an exit, it's an exit, it's an exit. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No! No! Just no! I'm not doing this. I just want to leave. How hard is that to understand? I don't want a creepy sewer. I just want to leave. What? This is not an exit. This might be an exit. This is not an exit. This is not an exit. Hello? Oh my gosh, this looks like the laboratory from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. I'm sorry. I just heard something, and it's scaring me. I'm leaving and never coming back. What the? Some of this stuff must be valuable, though. I hear, like, the wind up, like Jack in the Box. And I don't like it. Nah, bro. I just want to leave and never return. How hard is that to understand? Ugh. What? 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 Just what? What is that? A mutant? What was that? I think I had a mini heart attack. Bro! Bro! Oh my gosh! It does. Ah! I don't like that. I don't like it. No. Just no. Just no, bro. Nah, man. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing that. Yes. I'm wearing this now. Okay. I ain't doing that. No. Just no. I ain't doing that. No. You can't make me. You cannot make me. You cannot make me do that again. You just can't. And what do you know, I'm back. Eat this. Like, probably never again will I do this on the channel. Just never. Like, I'm not. This map. I like Animal Company, but not when it's scary. Okay, most of the maps are perfectly fine. No, not this one. This one is terrifying. It'll put fear in you. If you don't know what fear is, play this map and you'll figure it out pretty quick. Forget it, 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 forget it. I'm done. I ain't doing that again.